light painting photography at home. Let me show you some cool light painting ideas that you can try at home with minimal equipment. Let's get started. If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. Hey guys, I'm Sonika. In today's video, I'm going to show you some light painting ideas that you can try at home using your mobile phone. And I will use my laser light which gives out 3 colors. It's very cool. So let's start with the light painting magic. Now let's revise the basics first. Now, if you've watched my previous light painting tutorials and you've kind of mastered the basics, so you can directly go to this time guys and skip the introduction part. But if you're new and you want to revise the basics, let's continue watching. Things you will need: a camera that allows you to set your shutter speed manually, a tripod or any kind of support for your camera. If you don't have a tripod, you can use the support of any desk, table, chair, whatever you may have at home. Mobile phone and laser light. I'll show you how you can use them. A remote. I have the Nikon ML-L3 wireless camera remote. Since I'm clicking alone, having a remote really helps. But if you don't have a remote, you can use the self-timer mode of your camera, or you can ask a friend or family member to assist you. Next, darkness. So I'm gonna turn off the lights, shut the door, windows of my room, cover any openings in them. The room should be pitch dark. Now let's get started. I have set my camera on my tripod. I'll see the frame and stand accordingly. Turn on my torch and focus on the light with my remote. Now let's come to the settings. We are going to use the manual mode, manual focus. ISO can be around 100. Aperture around f5.6 or 6.3, depends on the scene. I'm going to use 6.3 for this example. Shutter speed will be the bulb mode. If you don't want to use the bulb mode, if you're not comfortable using it, you can set your camera to 20 or 30 seconds. But I like using the bulb mode because in the bulb mode, once I press the shutter release button or my remote, the camera shutter will open and will remain open till I press the shutter release button or my remote once again. So I can keep the shutter open for minutes, hours, as long as I want. So I can draw my light figures at leisure. I don't have to hurry because if it is 20 seconds, 30 seconds, I have to finish drawing by that time. So you can use the bulb mode. If not, you can set your camera to self-timer and set it to 20 or 30 seconds. And it's great if you have a remote with the bulb mode, because without a remote you are bound to shake your camera as you physically press the shutter release button. So having a remote really helps. Anyway, I take my position as per my camera framing.
First I'm gonna make such an orb. For that I'll use my laser light and this light painting brush. I'll leave the link to all my brushes down below guys so that you can download them. Take the mobile brightness to 100%. For the orb, I'll first take my laser light and make small dots with it in a circle. Just moving the light in small circular movements to form a circle. Same thing on the other side till I get a circle. Then I will wave the brush in such a way to fill up the space of the circle. Just moving it in wavy movements, then moving back and forming a loop. Doing this all the way till I fill up all the space. And come back to where I started. Once I press the remote, start with my drawing. First with the laser light, making the dots to draw an outline. Then waving the mobile to fill up the space. Press the remote again when I'm done. Voila! You can use various colors guys and experiment. Next I will make an eye. I have these 3 color light brushes, pink, red and green. First I will take the pink brush, draw a semicircle to form the outline of the eye. Then move the brush in such circles to fill up the space. The longer you draw, the better the drawing will be. Then switch to another color. I will use red next and make another semicircle in the same way, but below the previous one obviously. First draw an outline, then draw circles to fill up the space. For the iris, I will take the third color, green, and make such a coil in the middle. That's it. Lights out, making the first semicircle outline first, then filling the space, then the second semicircle, and finally the iris in green. Third, I will make a flower. For the flower, I will use the green brush for the stem of the flower and another color for the petals. Laser light for the middle. First I will take the green brush, draw the stem from my stomach to the floor, the leaves near my knees by extending the mobile like so, then some grass down below. Use the laser light and make a small dot near my stomach, that is from where I started drawing the stem. Then take any other color like red I'm using here and expose the mobile for a few seconds and turn it off. Keep repeating this to make a circle of petals of the flower. Let's make some more petals above the circle we just made. The more petals you make, the better the flower will look. Now with the lights off, making the stem, leaves and grass with the green brush, then a dot with the laser light, and finally petals all around the dot in red. That's it. Just like the flower, I can make a tree. Again, I will use the green brush for the tree's trunk and branches. But for the leaves, I have made these leaf shaped brushes in various colors. Again, download link is in the description. First, I will use the green brush again. I will make the trunk and grass in the same way as the flower, and also add some branches. Just spread them out like this. Then take any leaf brush and expose it for a while and turn it off. Doing this till I make a lot of leaves. Again, the more leaves I make, the better. You can use leaves of various colors and designs. Once you are done with them, you can paint a few of them on the grass too, near the floor, to show some fallen leaves. Lights out, making the tree trunk, grass and branches. Then exposing my mobile for a few seconds for making the leaves, filling up the space with as many leaves as I want, painting a few on the floor. That's it. Finally, I will make a simple light pattern. For that, I have designed these colorful light brushes. Again, link in description. And I will make such wavy movements as though I'm drawing an 8 in the air. and drawing a pattern using any of the light brushes from one end of the camera frame to the other end. That's it, very simple. Lights out. Start drawing my light pattern in wavy 8 like movements from one end to the next. That's it. Here also you can use various colors and hand movements to draw various patterns.
So guys, had a lot of fun doing this light painting at home, and it's not very difficult the way it looks. The first time it's gonna be tough. The first time when you're not gonna get it right, but as you practice and you perfect yourself, you'll definitely get the hang of it. And if you guys found this video to be cool, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you want more light painting tips and tricks. Share this video with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous light painting tutorial. More light painting ideas for you guys. Please go check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned every Wednesday for new videos on my channel. Bye.